The OUPES 2000W Mega Solar Generator Kit pairs a high-capacity lithium iron phosphate battery with a strong alternating current inverter, making it capable of running demanding appliances like a refrigerator or medical devices during outages or travel. Its included 240-watt monocrystalline solar panel is efficient enough to recharge the power station in a single sunny day, so you can stay off-grid without constantly hunting for wall outlets. The battery chemistry is designed for thousands of charge cycles, which means the station should remain reliable for long-term use rather than losing capacity after a short period. If your power needs grow, the system can be expanded with an additional battery pack to reach a much larger energy reserve suitable for longer trips or heavier backup use. Dual charging that combines solar input with wall power allows the unit to refill very quickly, and the companion application makes it easy to watch charging status and power flow in real time. A built-in uninterruptible power supply mode keeps sensitive electronics running almost seamlessly when the grid fails, and the rugged portable design is clearly aimed at campers, recreational vehicle owners, and anyone preparing for emergencies.